Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get your natural hair looking super curly from doing bantu knots, Nubian knots, Chani bumps, whatever you call it, it's the same thing. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, stick around to the end of the video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, a like, follow me on my social media and follow my blog page. Okay guys, let's go. So first, I parted out my hair in a small section with just enough hair to do a 2-strand twist. And then I apply Eco Styler gel, coating the hair from the roots to the tips. If you realize that you didn't put enough gel initially, it's fine to go back and to add some more gel. I love these island girls. So now we begin the twisting process, pulling the twists as tightly as possible. And guys, you will realize that there's some white residue from the gel, but don't be too alarmed because it will disappear as soon as the gel dries.
See the Trini girls wine to calypso. Yeah, the girls broke it down then dip so. Asian girl up the face so me like now go came on to spend one night. I love these island girls. You rock my world.
So as soon as I got to the end of the twist, I twirled the hair around itself until it got into a knot. A knot that is tight enough so that it doesn't unravel, but not too tight so that my head hurts. Once again, I parted my hair into a small section with just enough hair to do a 2-strand twist. I then coated the hair with Eco Styler gel before beginning the twist. As soon as I got to the end of the twist, I twirled it around itself, forming a bantu knot that is tight enough so that it doesn't unravel, but not too tight to give me a headache. Also guys, ignore the white residue from the gel. It will disappear as soon as it dries. So now it's just a matter of following the same steps to complete the entire head. And guys, remember not to focus too much on parting the hair neatly because you will be popping out them curls shortly. Once you're done making the knots, now it's time for the unraveling process, which is pretty simple and straightforward. You just twist the hair in the opposite direction, or you slide your finger down the middle of the twist to get them out, or whatever method works for you to unravel it, you do that. Do you, honey boo boo?
Pretty little thing got a shape and everything, worth more than pearls. I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty little thing got a shape and everything, worth more than pearls.
So after you're done undoing the bantu knot and unraveling the twists, you're left with beautiful curls. Now you can leave it as is, or you can continue to separate the twist out some more, and you can use a pick to fluff it, or you can pin it up in a nice style. I went ahead and I pinned mine in a nice cute style because I thought, or I still think, that it framed my face nicely. I did it in a sort of an updo with the sides appearing to be faded, so it's for those cute gals that want that chic look without actually shaving the head sides. My advice to you is to just play around with the different styles and to see what works for your face, your style, your image, and whatever look you're going for. It's not rocket science, it's pretty simple. And as a bonus, I added some pictures and clips of me wearing the hair to work about 4 or 5 days later, so they can get an idea of what it looks like after some time has passed. The curls held up pretty good and I'm very happy about that. Maintenance was very simple. All I did was put the satin bonnet over my hair at night, and in the morning I got up, I fluffed the roots, and that's it. I was on my way. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy, and I know you can do it. So there you have it guys, a pretty quick tutorial on how to get beautiful curls from doing bantu knots. I'm very happy you stuck around, so please hit that subscribe button, follow me at Rochelle Linton on social media, and follow my blog, and stick around for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.